this video, we will learn about input type equal to number. Suppose if you want to get the age of your user along with the name, you should use input type equal to number. So if you use input type equal to number, it will allow only the numeric value, whether it is decimal value like 369.36 or just normal integer value. But if you want to put any alpha character like ABCD or anything, it will not allow you. It will just allow the numbers. That is the main difference between input type equal to text and input type equal to number. Now, just like input type equal to text, there are some important attributes for the input type equal to number also. Like name. If I put this name, age, and refresh it, so let's say I'm giving the name to my name and now putting the age to 26 and I hit the submit button, you can see in the URL it will be name equal to Subhendu and age equal to 26. So in query string there will be two key, one is first name and one is age. First name is for this your name value and age is for this value, and they are separated using ampersand. Okay, now there are some attributes also, like if you put autofocus FOCUS and if you go there and refresh it, the focus will be here instead of here. So now the focus will be to your age field. Now coming to placeholder, so it will be your age. So you can see if you want to put any value instead of placeholder, which will come or which will load by default, like value equal to 69. So when you will refresh, it will automatically come at first, and you can increase or decrease using this arrow also. And one important thing is, if you open this page from your any mobile device or tab, means touch device, and if you focus to this particular field, the numeric keypad will come, and if you focus to the normal text field, it will be your alphanumeric keyboard. But if you focus to the new means type equal to number field, the numeric keypad will come in your phone or mobile device or any touch devices, and here you can increase or decrease using arrow key. Okay, so there are some another attribute, that is mean equal to, suppose let's say 50, and max equal to let's say 150. So if you want to give the input less than 30, here it will say value must be greater than or equal to 50. That means it will not take, means if you want to decrease it using the arrow key, it will not allow you. But if you put it in this way also, and if you trying to submit it, it will not allow because it is less than 50. Similarly, if you put this to more than 150, it will not allow you. It will say it should be less than or equal to 150. Okay, and let's say it is 150, and if you want to increase it, it will not allow you to. So this mean and max are available for the number field, so remember that they are very useful. One another attribute is step. So here mean is 50 and max is 150, and if you put like let's say 60 the value, and if you go up or go down, so it will be increased and decreased one value only, means from 64 to 65 or 64 to 63, like that. But if I put one attribute, that is step, and let's say step equal to 10, so what it will do, suppose its value is 60 now, and if I decrease it, it will be 50. If I increase it, it will be increased to 10 using 10 value. So you cannot go more than 150, you cannot come less than 50 also, but your step value will be 10. So that is one important attribute. Okay, and there are some another field also that we saw in uh, text field, like disabled. If you put disabled, so it will be disabled, you cannot access it. If you put it to read only, so you cannot modify it. There is no, I'm sorry, there is no arrow key to modify it. So there is a read only mode also. Max length will not work here because it is for the input type equal to text. Pattern also, you cannot use the pattern. Required you can use. Suppose I am removing and putting here required, and suppose I am removing this value field, I mean value attribute, and if you refresh it, and suppose you are giving this name and you are putting submit, so it will say that you must fill this field because it is required. Okay, that's it. That's for the input type equal to number. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.